In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to market Notion templates effectively. If you've created amazing Notion templates and want to turn your passion into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the essentials of building and engaging with your audience. A successful marketing strategy starts with creating valuable content. Video tutorials and free mini templates are incredible tools for showcasing the versatility of your Notion templates. Platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are ideal for sharing these. By crafting engaging and informative videos, you provide potential customers with unique insights into how your templates can streamline their lives or businesses. Aim to educate and inspire, rather than just sell, and you'll notice that your audience starts to grow organically. It's equally important to get involved with existing Notion communities. Platforms like Reddit and Facebook have dedicated communities where people share tips and user experiences. Participating actively in these groups can substantially increase your visibility and credibility. Share your knowledge, answer questions, and engage in discussions, not with the aim of a hard sell, but to genuinely contribute to these spaces. These interactions help you build trust and relationships with potential customers. Optimizing your product listings is another crucial step. Make sure your descriptions are clear and concise, effectively communicating the benefits and features of your templates. Use high-quality visuals to highlight your product's aesthetic and functional values, as these can significantly impact a buyer's decision. Remember, first impressions matter, and a polished presentation can set you apart from the competition. When it comes to pricing, it's all about finding the sweet spot. Competitive pricing ensures you're attracting a broad customer base without devaluing your work. Consider offering a mix of free and paid versions of your templates. Free versions act as an entry point for potential customers, allowing them to experience the value you offer firsthand. Once they see the benefits, they'll be more inclined to purchase the full version. Lastly, consider where you'll sell your templates. The official Notion marketplace is a great option to start, but don't limit yourself. Third-party sites like Etsy and Gumroad offer additional exposure and tools to reach a broader audience. Each marketplace has its own set of features and a community of buyers, so explore and choose those that best align with your business goals. In summary, marketing Notion templates involves a blend of engaging content creation, active community involvement, optimized listings, strategic pricing, and choosing the right marketplaces. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only enhance your visibility but also cultivate a loyal customer base. This approach doesn't just sell products. It builds relationships and trust, which are the cornerstones of a successful business. Keep iterating your strategies based on feedback and results, and you'll soon see your efforts bear fruit. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to hear about your successes in marketing your Notion templates.